To edit your LinkedIn profile, you want to be on your profile page. Right here, we're on the feed page. So click your name here or click on me and then view profile. This will take you to your profile page. Now, once you're on your profile page, there are two different options for editing your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you know what section you want to edit, you can scroll over it and click on the little pencil to edit. So you can edit the image up here. You can edit this information, which includes your name, your headline, education, your industry, and your contact information. And then above each section, you'll see the pencil where then you can edit that specific section. You can also click on Edit Public Profile and URL, and you'll see that in the top right-hand corner. So if you click on that, you will then see your full public profile and what it looks like. And on the right side, under Edit Your Custom URL, it says Edit Content. You can click on Edit Contents. And from this page, you'll be able to also edit any section of your profile. You can also add sections to your profile. When you start to scroll down, that option will appear here to add a profile section. But that is how to edit your LinkedIn profile. If you have any questions, please do post them in the comment section below. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like and consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. Thank you.